Hey guys, this is Tamela, and I want to welcome you back again to another exciting episode of Designing with Hope on Design. My interior design boutique, Creative Designs and Accessories, we offer several different levels of interior design services, from DIY design consultations to full service interior design to personal concierge shopping and new build remodel. In this video today, I'm going to briefly share with you how I assist clients who are building a new home or remodeling an existing home by helping to pick out and coordinate their interior selections for their home. My client is building a new home in this gated community. It is a 2-story home with almost 3,000 square feet, which means a lot of rooms to choose interior finishes. This can be a daunting task for any first-time home buyer to tackle on their own. Now, this particular home builder provides an on-site interior finish selection area where my client and I were able to pick out the tile for the wet areas, being the kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry space. In addition, we were able to pick the granite for the kitchen countertops and bathroom countertops, and my client decided to go with hardwood flooring for her formal dining, living room, and game room. My creative juices started to flow when it came time to picking out the tile for the kitchen backsplash and then sketching out on a pad the design for the glass tile to accent the backsplash in the kitchen and in the shower. And the last interior finishes that my client and I chose were a few upgrades for her ceilings. She chose a 6-picture frame design for her dining room, white color wood beams for the family room, and in the foyer area, a large crown molding picture frame that is encased with espresso stained wood planks. Now, for the master bedroom, she chose a 3-tray recessed ceiling with 2 wood beams. Now, hopefully this video has given you an insight on one of my design services that I can provide for clients who are building a new home or remodeling. And if you are in the process of building a new home or doing a quick remodel, please take the time to choose your interior finishes wisely because your home is your biggest investment. And once again, thanks for watching Designing with Hope on Design, designing for the home, body, and soul. Bye for now.